Hello guys, this is Lokesh Rangwal and this is a video number 4 of AI content power generator. And in this video I will gonna explain this quick summarizer app, quick summarizer feature, how it works and how it will be responding and how we prepare this prompt. So here when I write a long text, like when I search PL paragraph, and it will give me this paragraph. Here I will copy and paste it here, quick summarizer tab, and click on a summarize. It will give me a summarizing output. Here it will be summarize all the output who I am writing in here, in there. So how it works we will covered in this video. So from here when we click on a DOM element, I will be select element first, this button, select this button first, and in this button I will create a event listener, and when I click on this, this callback function will be running. Handle summarizer, we will go into the handle summarizer, it will create here, and when it will be created, this is a sync function. We will already covered a sync, what is a sync and await, all the thing, and it will be check here, check and prompt API key call, it will return true or false value. We will see in the top. I will show one more time. This here is a when we are new user, then it will be give me a prompt, and he wanted one API key to storing in a local storage and run in a locally, not global. And after this, here is my handle task. Here is handle summarizer, and here it is here, and here I will when it will be the true false value, then the false value turn into that false value convert into a truthy value, the cause of this exponent, this mark, and it will when it will be true, block of code will be true, then it will be written. And after this I will be create a one constant new text, and here is a selected text to summarize value, this one, this input box value to trim all the spaces in a starting and in a end, we will be removed and store in a text all the values. Like I will create I will wrote here anything, and it will be trim after a trim, like I will create a space in a top and in a starting and in a end. It will be stored in a text only, only this part without any spaces. And here it will be check if the text is false value, then it will be show an error, please paste text to summarize, here like this. I will wrote only spaces, then it will be so please paste text to summarize, it will be say, and like this. And here it will be the try and catch block. Here is a try block, and show loading, I calling a function show loading when I load something here and summarize, and this loading is come, this is come from happening, this is happening from because of this function show loading, and it's true and mean it will be run. And here I will be prepared a prompt for this, and here please provide a concise summary of the following text in 2 to 3 sentences. And here is my text who write in input box, and here in I will wrote a summary. Like I want a summary for this text, and here it will be the response constant. It will call to Gemini API. We will already know how it works in a previous video. I will do step by step explanation how it works, which is a long video. You will be able to watch and come here, and you will be understand how it works. Okay, here is the here we will here, and after this display output already covered all the thing. We will, I think, already covered how they are works, and in the last the finally run and calling the show loading false, the loading is off and our output will be showing using the display output here. And after this what can I see you for this feature related. Here all the thing we will covered in a previous video. Here all the thing, and here is a display output, and here is a show loading function, show with if else, and here is a show error, and here is a format idea response. When the API give a big prompt, big responses, then it will be formatted from here, and it will run automatically, and always whenever our JavaScript code is run, and it will become here, then it will be run and print in a console. Our project it will be run. Okay, and after this here is a DOM content loaded. It will be run, and window content generator app, call them API formatted idea response. So I think here, I think this feature will be covered. I think you might be able to understand how it works, and how can I try to my best to explaining you to डिस्कस विथ यू, एंड समझाने के लिए मैं यहाँ हूँ. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड आई थिंक यू लव दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लव, and if you want more video to see, then you will become to see my channel on the YouTube, the server, and subscribe for this channel. Thank you for watching, and in upcoming video we will discuss about the idea Spark, how it works, and definition finder, all these two. So thank you for watching.